Selling like you is about flipping from that vicious cycle of doubt and failure and shame and turn it into a virtuous cycle of belief, world-class execution, and integrity. My name's Jeff Bajorek. I enable and empower salespeople to do their very best work by reminding them what needs to be done, showing them how they can do it best, and then helping them believe that they can. You doubt yourself, then you fail. You can't sell like Mark Hunter. You can't sell like Anthony Arena. You can't sell like Jeb Blunt. You have to take what they do. You have to understand why it works. You have to think about how you can make it work. And then you got to go sell like you. The sale begins and ends with belief. The first thing you do is believe that you can make the sale. And the last thing you do is you believe that you can make it again. This is your sales superpower. Belief leads to execution. Execution leads to integrity. People care less about what they buy from you and much more about the feeling they get from buying from you. The very best salespeople in the world don't sell stuff. They create an environment for you to buy it. Process is what you need to do. Methodology is how you need to do it. And you need to do it in a way that only you can do. You need to be willing to bring your whole self. You need to be willing to be authentic. You need to be willing to be transparent. You need to do those things to build trust. But when you rethink the way you sell, you got the process, you got the methodology, then you have belief. Integrity means doing the right things for the right people, the right ways, for the right reasons. So belief is founded in this integrity. Integrity is the cornerstone of belief. Belief is the cornerstone of execution. Now we've got this virtuous cycle. It works in such a way that I feel really good about the way I do it. That makes me believe I can do more. So what holds you back? What's stopping you from making this decision? What is the fear? We fear being wrong more than we care to be right. When you decide to sell like you, when you decide to bring your whole self, you start being more creative, you start having more fun, you're more magnetic, you're more attractive, you're more engaging, you sell better. That's what exponential growth looks like. That is why I had that 300% growth in 16 months in a mature territory, in a mature industry with a commoditized product. I was the difference, the same that you are the difference. If you have bulletproof belief, if you know so well in the value that you provide and the outcomes that you and only you can create, that's the only way you win those deals. When you believe that you are that capable, you start to execute. And then when you execute well, and you execute in a way that you feel good about, integrity, belief, execution, integrity. Your sales superpower is belief.